All right, I'm going to back up here. So stand up nice and tall. And this first one, let's just do just a little gentle roll, the hips move around, take a deep breath. Okay, and then just keep doing this easy one if you have some issues going on in your lower back and fast twisting is not a good idea. But this is from Yogananda's energization exercises. If you ever did the twist way back in those days that some of us remember. It's kind of like that, but it's a nice warm up for the lower body. And breathe. Breathe, good. Yoga is all about moving the energy, putting it where you want it to be. Good. Now for the hamstrings, so you're going to stay really tall. And you get those legs apart a little bit, and then from your hips, you might even want to just press the thighs back so you're hinging at the hips. So it's nice and extended, not rounded this way, but extending, lengthening out. And you may only have to go just a little ways to feel that stretch. Good. That's it, as you breathe. And don't want to, I keep looking up to make eye contact with you, but you actually would be looking down at the floor, especially the further down you go. Lifting the head up like I tend to do when I talk to you can actually put pressure on the lower back. So just breathe here, and you don't have to go too far. You just go far enough. You lift the sits bones to you, feel the stretch in your hamstring. Tighten your body muscles, tighten the thigh muscles. That protects the lower back as you just get longer and taller. And just breathe here. Stretch those legs out. Give them a moment. Good. Now, just real tight body and leg muscles. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, take a nice deep breath. Good. And just feel that nice looseness, and you're ready to go out and have a wonderful day.